In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Figma plugin. We'll build a tiny plugin end to end, so you understand the flow from setup to publishing. Start inside Figma. Open the menu, head to Plugins, then Development, and choose New Plugin. When Figma asks what kind, pick with UI for a simple interface panel, then give your plugin a clear, memorable name. Right away, Figma creates a starter project for you so you don't have to wire everything from scratch. You'll see three key files. The manifest.json holds your plugin settings and metadata. The code.js file is the main logic that talks to the Figma document. And UI.html is your plugin's interface that users click and type into. Think of UI.html as the front end and code.js as the back end, with both communicating through messages. Let's build a tiny interface first. Open UI.html and add a short heading plus a button labeled Add Box. Beneath it, include a small script that listens for a click and posts a message to the parent with a type of create box. That's all you need for the UI, one button and one message going out. Next, open code.js and show the UI by calling figma.showUI. Then listen for messages from the UI. When you receive a message with the type create box, create a new rectangle, resize it to 200 by 100, give it a solid blue fill, and append it to the current page. Now your button triggers real changes on the canvas. Time to try it. In Figma, go to Plugins, Development, and select your plugin by name. Your UI panel will pop up. Click Add Box, and a blue rectangle should appear instantly on the canvas. If it doesn't, make sure you saved both files and that the message type in UI.html exactly matches the one you're checking in code. Yes. From here, iterate. Edit your code, rerun the plugin, and verify the results on the canvas. Small, frequent tweaks help you isolate issues quickly. If something feels off, simplify the UI or log messages as you go to confirm what's being sent and received. Once the basics work, you can extend your plugin to generate layouts, rename layers in bulk, insert icons or images, create social templates, or even connect external APIs. If you do connect services, never embed private keys or secrets in client-side code. When you're ready to share, open Plugins, Development,